Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. We'll be picking cards from different decks. So, this is for your general energies, guys. For your moon energy, this is the card. And for your love guidance, this is your card. So we will see what it is. And as usual, I have a special pick a card love reading for you all. So that will be based on fairy tale oracle deck. So you can watch that, guys. That will be interesting. So let's start with this card for your general energies. So we have Yang, a very positive card here, guys, for y'all Aquarius. So in your relationship, maybe, guys, maybe you are thinking about this person you love. You have certain ideas or certain dreams about this relationship, and this may be the time all your dreams will begin to manifest, and your desires to achieve those, that is going to be that is going to come in that practical world, in your practical world. So this may be the time for action. Maybe if you take up some, if you desire for something, maybe in this relationship, maybe engagement or marriage, whatever it is, whatever obstacles you may see, you will be able to overcome that, guys, because this is the time for you to take action, and you are the shaper of your own destiny today, guys. And you can move forward because there is love in the air, and this person will also so circumstances are supporting action on your part, and it is okay to make the first move. So maybe you are holding yourself back because you have some doubts, maybe whether this person will accept you or not. Today you need not worry, guys. They will definitely accept you, and this is the time for you to make a move forward, and this may be the right time for you, and right time for you to make choices in the matters of the heart. So this person is going to accept you today, guys. And even in your career circumstances, Aquarius, maybe some projects or some partnerships may come to you, and this is the make it happen phase, and it is not obstacle phase. So all that obstacles or delays you faced in your work, that time is over, and this card tells you that you have all that talents and skills needed to accomplish your goals, and abundance is waiting for you to claim it. So you just need to be confident and go forward towards the goals you have for yourself, and it is all going to be really successful, guys. So that is the energy here. And even though you may feel that this is not the case for you, maybe you feel that this, whatever you desire to do, or maybe even you do something, you are not seeing success. It just means that we need not fear about what is going to unfold in our life, guys. And life is a process, a learning process. So we need to be really diplomatic and balanced today, and have that thoughtful consideration, think through any important decisions that is going to make our action a really successful one, Aquarius. So that is what I see, guys, for your career situation, Aquarius. So for your moon energies, supermoon emotions are running high. So with this card, it just means that whatever you are asking for, maybe in your work, you just want to know whether what you are doing is going to be successful. Yes, it's going to be very successful, guys. And whatever answers you are seeking, it's right under your nose. And this card just means that you are bursting with energy today, feeling really confident, feeling really inspired, and you can expect good things to come to you today. And you are going to see a lot of opportunities. So it is time for you to take action. So go for that action. And something exciting is coming your way today, guys, Aquarius. Maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship. There is a lot of excitement in your circumstances today, guys. So let's see what is your love guidance today. We have willingness. So it just means that when we are able to accept others and accept their individual path, it is going to increase our soul strength. So when we want to transform ourselves positively, it starts with willingness to forgive, guys, and open our heart and be honest with ourselves first. So that way we are never old to learn something. We are excited each and every day, and willingness to learn from and accept another person is going to make our life more harmonious, blessed, and we will be able to change ourselves for the better, influence ourselves each and every day. So transformation is what will take us towards something really good today, guys. And the beginning of that great growth, or whatever we have, whatever we expect to achieve, the starting point is willingness to change. So that is the energy with this card, guys. Your love guidance for you all today, Aquarius. Thank you for watching, guys. If you want more clarity, Aquarius, you can watch the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, Aquarius. For your Pick a Card Love reading today, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. I will keep the second card aside. So we will see what is the card for you all. It says the Wild Swans, dedication. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your life, in your personal life, or maybe in your work situation, you are doing a lot, maybe going through a lot for someone you love. Maybe you have sacrificed so much and you have faced your circumstances with that brave heart, and there is no one who knows that extent of your sacrifice, or the extent you have gone through, that pain and stress, worries for this person you love. and you have never told anyone about this uh, work you are doing. Maybe you are dedicated to something, that one pointed focus, just like a great scientists or great minds work with that passion to discover something. So you are doing something really passionate with that level of commitment, concentration, dedication, and that you are doing for someone you love. You are going out of the way to do that work. You need not worry, guys, because whatever we do with this level of dedication will never go for waste. So, there will come a time when people will appreciate you, people you love, they will understand you, understand your passion, and though it may be perceived as madness today, something that need not be done, and even people may uh, be really hostile towards you, but this passionate action on your part, or it may be someone in your life, they are going for that. So whatever it is, it will result in healing and great breakthroughs in your circumstances, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So maybe today your sacrifice has no value, or there are no people to understand you, but there will come a time when people will appreciate your efforts, people will appreciate your courage and that focus you have, dedication you had today. So that is the energy, guys, with this card. So let's see what is the second card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this second card, it says Sleeping Beauty, Awakening. So in your circumstances, maybe whatever you are facing right now, it may be because of people keeping you away from some information, maybe some awareness. It may be something of someone's doing, maybe someone close to you. It may be a family member, or it may be even your person who loves you. So they are trying to keep away some truth because they feel that you may hurt yourself or you may worry yourself, and by doing that they are creating a very bad situation for you, because you do not know the truth and you don't know what you should or what you should not do, because you lack clarity. So this lack of clarity may be because of some people, because they are keeping something, some kind of an vital information from you, and that is the reason you may not be able to overcome some difficult circumstances in your life, maybe in your relationship or maybe in your work situation. These circumstances may be, guys, but very soon you will be able to overcome these challenges and you will know the truth, whatever you need to know. And when you know the truth, all the people around you, even they will realize their mistake, what has happened, and everyone will awaken. There is some kind of great emotional change coming up in your circumstances, guys. So time will tell you the truth today. That is what I see with this card, guys. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.